Hello there. Okay, so you should have your clock design finished pretty much, and I'm just going to show you a few ways to present your design before screenshotting or snipping it and printing it off. So firstly, you want to stand it up really. So I'm going to introduce you to the rotate tool. So firstly, you want to select your model. You're going to go over here to the move tool and click it, and then open up the rotate tool. Now, we want to spin it so it stands up. So the first thing you need to do is make sure you put the dial kind of standing up. So depending on what face it's on, it will be looking at you. So you're going to click firstly. Then you need to pull out a line which is parallel with the position of your product or your clock. And you're going to click again. Then you'll be able to move your clock up like that. I'm going to put mine at a slight angle like that so it looks like it's kind of leaning. There we go. And then we need to move it back down to the ground. Now the easiest way to do that, because we don't really know where the ground is, we've only got a red line, is to put shadows on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to my little glasses down here on display, and I'm going to turn on shadows. There we go. I'm also going to put a little bit of fog on to make it look a bit cooler. Maybe a bit less. There we go. And now back in here, if we click on here and then click on move this time, we click on our model, slide it down until we can see, because of the shadow that's on the ground, like that. There we go. So that's our clock put on the ground. Now what you can do with the shadows is obviously you can edit them so it's not so long, not so short, but at the moment you can see that the shadow is in front of the clock, and we don't really want that. We want it behind it ideally, so we're going to have to spin it around again. So what we're going to do is zoom out, grab our product again, click on move, click on rotate. This time we're going to put our dial on the ground, click, pull out, click again, then we spin it round like that. There we go. This time the shadow is behind our clock. Perfect. Now there's two more things we need to do. We need to get rid of axes, which is very easily. If you see above shadows it says axes, section, cuts, all that kind of stuff. So deselect all of them to make sure there's no axes or lines or dotted lines in your model